Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's break down the common causes and solutions for Visual Studio 2010 setup failed errors, particularly in a more modern context like 2018 or beyond, when you might encounter compatibility and prerequisite issues. We'll cover troubleshooting, code examples where relevant, and provide a systematic approach. Understanding the problem *. Visual Studio 2010 is an older IDE. When you try to install it on a newer operating system, Windows 8, 8.1, 10, or 11, or on a system with more recent .NET Framework versions, you might encounter a setup failure. These failures stem from several common reasons. Compatibility issues. Visual Studio 2010 was designed for older versions of Windows. Modern operating systems have different security policies, file structures, and system settings, potentially causing conflicts. .NET Framework. Visual Studio 2010 depends on specific .NET Framework versions. A missing or incompatible .NET Framework can break the installation. Specifically, it needs .NET Framework 4, or a compatible older version. Operating system components. Visual Studio 2010 relies on certain operating system components that may be missing or have been superseded in newer Windows versions. Conflicting software. Other software installed on your system, especially previous Visual Studio versions, .NET Framework installations, or antivirus programs, can sometimes interfere with the installation. Corrupted installation files. The Visual Studio 2010 installation files themselves might be corrupted during download or storage. User permissions. Insufficient user permissions can prevent the installer from accessing necessary system resources. Windows installer issues. Problems with the Windows installer service itself can lead to installation failures. Troubleshooting steps and solutions, detailed. 1. Run the installer as administrator. Right-click on the Visual Studio 2010 installer file, example setup.exe, vs_setup.exe, or the ISO image, and select Run as administrator. This grants the installer elevated privileges to access system files and settings, which is often necessary. 2. Compatibility mode. Right-click the installer file. Select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box Run this program in compatibility mode 4. Choose an older version of Windows, example Windows XP, Service Pack 3, Windows Vista. Try different options if one doesn't work. Also, check the box Run this program as an administrator, even if you're already running as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. Run the installer again. 3. Check and install .NET Framework 3.5 and .NET Framework 4 *. Why .NET Framework 3.5 is important. Visual Studio 2010 often requires .NET Framework 3.5, which includes 2.0 and 3.0, for some of its components. While .NET Framework 4 is the primary target, the installer might check for 3.5. Newer systems may not have it enabled by default. Enable .NET Framework 3.5 on Windows 10/11 *. Go to Control Panel Programs turn Windows features on or off. Check the box next to .NET Framework 3.5, includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0. Windows may prompt you to download the necessary files from Windows Update. Allow it to do so. You may need your Windows installation media. .NET Framework 4, or 4.0 client profile ensure that at least .NET Framework 4, or the 4.0 client profile, is installed and functioning correctly. You can download the latest version from the Microsoft website. Search for .NET Framework 4.0 download, or .NET Framework 4.0 client profile download. 4. Disable antivirus software ***. Temporarily disable your antivirus software before running the installer. Antivirus programs can sometimes mistakenly flag installer files or interfere with the installation process. Remember to re-enable it after the installation is complete. 5. Uninstall conflicting software ***. Go to Control Panel Programs and Features. Look for any previous versions of Visual Studio, .NET Framework installations, or other development tools that might conflict. Uninstall these programs. Restart your computer after uninstalling them. 6. Windows Installer Service ***. Check if the Windows Installer Service is running ***. Press Win plus R to open the Run dialog. Type services.msc and press Enter. In the Services window, find Windows Installer. If the status is not running, right-click on it and select Start. If it's already running, right-click and select Restart. Re-register the Windows Installer ***. Open a command prompt as an administrator. Type the following commands, pressing Enter after each. Restart your computer. 7. Clean boot ***. Perform a clean boot to start Windows with a minimal set of drivers and start up programs. This can help identify if a third-party application is interfering with the installation. Press Win plus R to open the Run dialog. Type misconfig and press Enter. In the System Configuration window, go to the Services tab. Check the box Hide all Microsoft services. Click Disable all. Go to the Startup tab. Click Open Task Manager. In Task Manager, disable all startup items. Close Task Manager and click Apply and OK in the System Configuration window. Restart your computer. Try the Visual Studio 2010 installation again. After the installation, revert the clean boot settings to normal. 8. Check system requirements verify that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Visual Studio 2010. While it's an older IDE, it still has requirements for CPU, RAM, and disk space. 9. Extract the ISO, if applicable. If you have the Visual Studio 2010 installation as an ISO image, mount it as a virtual drive, or extract its contents to a folder on your hard drive using a program like 7-zip or WinRAR. Then, run the setup.exe from the extracted folder. Sometimes, directly running the setup from a mounted ISO can cause issues. 10. Check the installation logs Visual Studio installers usually create log files that contain information about the installation process, including errors. The logs can help you pinpoint the exact cause of the failure. The log files are typically located in the %temp% directory. You can type %temp% in the Run dialog to open it. Look for files with names that include vs_setup, dd_setup, or similar. Open the log files with a text editor, Notepad, and search for error, failed, or exception to find clues about the problem. If the log file mentions a specific component failure, example a registry key error, research that specific error message. 11. Registry cleanup, use with caution. Asterisk warning asterisk modifying the registry can be dangerous if not done correctly. Back up your registry before making any changes. Asterisk after uninstalling previous versions of Visual Studio or .NET Framework, there might be residual registry entries that are causing conflicts. You can use a registry cleaner tool like CCleaner to remove these entries. Be very careful when using registry cleaners and only remove entries related to Visual Studio or .NET Framework. It's often better to manually examine and remove specific entries if you're comfortable with the registry editor. Asterisk to open the registry editor, press Win+R, type regedit, and press Enter. Be very careful when using registry editor. 12. Re-download the installation files asterisk. Asterisk if you suspect that the installation files are corrupted, re-download them from a trusted source, example the Microsoft website or MSDN. Use a download manager to ensure a complete and error-free download. 13. Consider a virtual machine asterisk. Asterisk if you've exhausted all other options and still can't get Visual Studio 2010 to install on your main system, consider installing it in a virtual machine, using software like VirtualBox or VMware. This provides a clean and isolated environment where you can install an older operating system, example Windows XP or Windows 7, that is more compatible with Visual Studio 2010. Code examples, where relevant. While the solutions are mostly focused on configuration and system settings, there are a few scenarios where code or commands might be involved. *.NET Framework Verification, PowerShell. This PowerShell script checks for installed .NET Framework versions, specifically looking for versions starting with 4, to verify .NET Framework 4 or later. Manually installing .NET Framework components, DISM. If enabling .NET Framework 3.5 through the control panel fails, you can try using the Deployment Image Servicing and Management, DISM, tool from the command line. Replace path_to_sources /sxs_ folder with the path to the sources /sxs folder on your Windows installation media. This requires the Windows installation DVD or ISO. Checking for specific registry keys *. If the error logs point to a problem with a specific registry key, you can use PowerShell or the registry editor to check if the key exists and what its value is. PowerShell *. Replace hklm \software your key path with the actual registry key path, and your value name with the name of the value you're interested in. If the command returns nothing, the key or value doesn't exist. Example error messages and solutions *. Setup has detected that the .NET Framework version 4.0 has not been applied to the machine. Please apply the .NET Framework version 4.0 or later. Solution download and install the .NET Framework 4.0, or a later compatible version. Restart your computer. Setup cannot continue because the Windows installer service could not be accessed. Solution check the Windows installer service, as described above. Re-register the Windows installer. Fatal error during installation. Solution this is a generic error. Check the installation logs for more specific information. Try running the installer in compatibility mode, as administrator, and with antivirus disabled. Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 setup requires that the .NET Framework 3.5 be installed. Solution enable .NET Framework 3.5 as described earlier. Important considerations backups before making any significant changes to your system, example modifying the registry, create a system restore point or back up your important data. Patience. Troubleshooting installation issues can take time. Don't get discouraged. Work through the steps systematically. Research. If you encounter a specific error message, search for it online. Other users may have encountered the same problem and found a solution. Cleanliness. Ensure your system is as clean as possible before attempting the installation. Remove unnecessary files and programs. By following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and resolve the Visual Studio 2010 setup failed error and successfully install the IDE on your system. Remember to be patient and methodical in your approach. Good luck.